stand on the tube and no chain riding or stuffing in the tube. Yeah, and keep your arms and legs inside of the tube. Oh. So do we just get in?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Oh no. Everyone get ready! Last time my VR goggles weren't working.